Curious about the meanings behind the cluster display and dashboard warning indicators in your 2025 Toyota Tundra? Wondering what each cluster display symbol represents? How do these indicators help maintain vehicle performance and safety? If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen display provides interactive controls, while the instrument cluster shows key vehicle information. Climate control system provides dual-zone comfort, maintaining ideal temperatures for both the driver and passengers. The steering wheel allows the driver to control the direction of the vehicle by turning the front wheels. The gear shifter selects the vehicle's driving mode.
Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators.
SRS warning light, seat belt warning light, ABS warning light, brake system warning light, electric parking brake light, inappropriate pedal operation warning light, charging system warning light, low engine oil pressure warning light, high engine coolant temperature warning light, sport mode indicator, smart key system indicator, security indicator, PCS warning light, slip indicator, front passenger's seat belt reminder light, brake hold operated indicator, LTA indicator, low engine oil pressure warning light, low outside temperature indicator, eco drive mode indicator, VSC off indicator, malfunction indicator lamp, airbag on-off indicator, tire pressure monitoring system, warning light, driving assist information indicator, turn signal indicator, electric power steering warning light, headlight indicator, tail light indicator, BSM outside rear view mirror indicators, headlight high beam indicator, cruise control indicator, PDA indicator, LDA indicator, intuitive parking assist detection indicator, snow mode indicator, DIRT mode indicator, air suspension malfunction indicator, downhill assist control system indicator, stop and start cancel indicator, automatic high beam indicator, fog light indicator, stop and start indicator, crawl control indicator, rear differential lock indicator, auto LSD indicator, IMT indicator, low speed four-wheel drive indicator, high speed four-wheel drive indicator, sport S mode indicator, custom mode indicator, comfort mode indicator, auto EPB off indicator, SAND mode indicator, MUD mode indicator, deep snow mode indicator, rock mode indicator, tow haul indicator, SDM indicator, intuitive parking assist the off indicator, rear differential lock indicator, trailer brake warning light, low fuel level warning light, PCS warning light, RCTA off indicator. Safety precautions, know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.